The Milwaukee hedge trimmer gets through every hedge you need to. I use it every day now. I prefer to use that than the gas-powered ones.
On the thicker branches, like 3/4 inch or an inch, it does its work.
It really got through those branches. It's got nice thick blades on there. It's actually become one of the primary trimmers on our trucks.
Milwaukee hedge trimmer, lightweight and small enough where I can get into hedges, bushes.
With a Milwaukee hedge trimmer, the fact that I can get through a normal day with one battery was definitely a good surprise. And the fact that the batteries are interchangeable, you can just pop in the different battery.
You're gonna save on time, definitely gonna be more productive.